The 5 best microwaves for everything, from cooking dinner to reheating leftovers. Say goodbye to half-popped bags of popcorn during movie night. A microwave can be your best friend in the kitchen when you need to get something done fast. Whether you're reheating leftovers, defrosting a frozen dish, melting chocolate for baking, or even just boiling water, microwaves get the job done quickly with minimal effort. Plus, microwaves usually require less cleanup than cooking on your stovetop. The best microwaves should not only be simple to use and clean, but they'll have the right assortment of features to make heating quick and easy. Some models come with helpful features like smart sensors, automatic cook presets, or possibly even air frying and baking capabilities. However, if you just want that automatic popcorn setting for movie night, there are plenty of effective models without all the bells and whistles too. With so many different microwaves on the market, it can be difficult to know which is the best for your household. That's why our experts put 26 microwaves to the test in our lab. They spent an entire day using and evaluating these microwaves based on their power, design, size, effectiveness, and more. Number 1. Best overall, Toshiba Microwave. The most versatile microwaves will work quickly, heat evenly, and be intuitive to use, allowing you to cook or reheat items without needing to babysit the appliance. The Toshiba Microwave Oven with smart sensor earned our experts' praise after proving itself to be the most well-rounded device we tested, whether cooking popcorn, melting marshmallows, or heating veggies. During testing, the Toshiba Microwave popped almost all of the popcorn in the bag, and it was all evenly cooked without any scorched or burned bits. The microwave also had no trouble cooking a container of frozen macaroni and cheese evenly without any cold sections. This is thanks to its built-in sensor that automatically detects the humidity level of the food as it cooks to make sure everything comes out warm and ready to eat. We like the size of this microwave as it's big enough to hold large dishes without being so huge that it takes up valuable space on your countertop. Plus, its clearly marked control panel makes it very intuitive to use. Other basic features include a touchpad that doesn't show fingerprints, a clock, timer, a veggie sensor that can differentiate between fresh and frozen veggies, and other presets. The Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven didn't perform as well when we tried to melt marshmallows and chocolate chips. Instead of creating a smooth, evenly melted consistency, both the marshmallows and chips maintained their general shape, so you'd need to keep it in the microwave longer to completely melt them. Number 2. Best budget, Hamilton Beach Countertop Microwave. If you're looking for a microwave that is reliable, effective, and less expensive than other options, we recommend this option from Hamilton Beach. While it doesn't offer as many features as some other models, it includes convenient one-button cooking options for frequent tasks like popcorn, pizza, and defrost. The Hamilton Beach Microwave impressed us during testing, reheating leftovers, popping popcorn, and defrosting a pound of hamburger with ease. The menu of preset cooking functions also includes potato, frozen vegetable, beverage, and dinner plate, making it easy to quickly prepare ingredients and heat up meals. While we like that the buttons are easy to read and touch sensitive, they're located inside the microwave door, making them difficult to find. The capacity accommodates most microwave-friendly items, including large plates and medium casserole dishes, while maintaining a small countertop footprint. We love that the glass tray is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning, and found the oven to be durable and stable with a well-made door and handle. This easy-to-use microwave doesn't have all the bells and whistles that pricier options offer. However, we found that it delivers consistent results and is well designed to prepare quick meals and snacks. Number 3. Best splurge, GE Over-the-Range Microwave. This GE Over-the-Range microwave has a variety of useful features that make it a powerful appliance for quick heating and efficient defrosting. The microwave features convenient sensor cooking controls that automatically adjust time and power output, taking the guesswork out of meal prep. Over-the-range microwaves like this style save space on your countertop and are often placed above the stove. If that's the case in your kitchen, you'll appreciate that this model has a 2-speed venting system designed to help remove smoke and odors as items are prepared below it. We put this model to the test with muffins, bread, popcorn, chicken, and rice, and found that the oven heated evenly and efficiently. We like the appealing design and easy-to-use features, like the integrated melt mode for cheese, butter, and soft ingredients to prevent burning. The wait and time defrost setting makes thawing easier by setting the recommended defrosting time and power level based on the item's weight. We also like that the turntable is dishwasher safe, however it was easily dislodged during testing. While the stainless steel is fingerprint resistant, the black parts of the microwave retained prints and smears requiring frequent cleaning. However, this microwave delivered on efficient cooking and reheating with time-saving features, so we didn't think it was a deal-breaker. Number 4. Best microwaves with air fryer. Galons 4-in Toast Wave. One of the most versatile appliances you can get for your home is an air fryer. It's perfect for cooking tasty chicken wings, vegetables, and even desserts. Instead of buying a brand new device that takes up more space on your counter, we like the Galons GT 4-in-1 Toast Wave, which operates as a microwave, air fryer, toaster, and convection oven. We tested this specifically for the microwave functions, but if you're in the market for a countertop appliance that does it all, the Galons is our pick. Our experts reported that this microwave has a specific feature for just about every kitchen task you can think of, including baking, toasting, even pizza making. There's a silicone mat that you use for all of the functions, and our testers loved how easy it was to clean while keeping the turntable free of drips and dribbles. Our testers also liked the way this heated the cheese and popped popcorn, with even heating throughout, and very few unpopped kernels left behind. For more specialized tasks like melting chocolate, this appliance wasn't able to evenly melt the chips. The toaster oven function can be heated to 425-degree Celsius, and the appliance has a dial for the timer and a touchpad for everything else. There's plenty of preset buttons to choose from, including a bagel setting, pizza cooking, a broil button, and more. The turntable can be turned on and off too, which is a cool feature. We think this microwave, and more, is an ideal option for adventurous cooks who are looking for a multifunction appliance, and it could even serve as the only appliance for someone with limited space. However, our testers found that it was a little difficult to use since it has so many settings, so we don't recommend this device to someone who wants a quick and easy-to-use microwave. Number 5. Best Small Microwaves, Panasonic 1.2 Inverter Microwave. If you can't mount your microwave in your kitchen, the last thing you probably want is a bulky appliance, taking up tons of space on your countertop. This small microwave is basic enough to suit the most common kitchen tasks, but it's also reliable enough for even cooking. Our testers reported that this microwave was consistent in heating during all of the tests, including cooking frozen meals and defrosting foods. Small but mighty, it had impressive power that allowed the microwave to evenly cook everything without any cold spots. Plus, it perfectly popped a bag of popcorn without many leftover kernels and perfectly melted chocolate chips, which was challenging for other models on our list. While the Panasonic Inverter Microwave doesn't have a ton of additional features like other appliances on this list, it does have a few helpful cooking presets, including a popcorn button, sensor, heating and reheating, a warming button, and more. It also has a sleek touchpad and a removable glass turntable to make microwave cleanup easy. The Panasonic Inverter Microwave isn't overly large, but the interior capacity provides enough space for standard dinner plates and most food storage containers. However, it lacks some of the food-specific buttons that other microwaves on our list have, so we don't recommend it to anyone who wants perfectly cooked dishes in a single press of a button.